Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for your attendance this morning. And on behalf of Volvo Car Malaysia, welcome to the official launch of Volvo's brand new XC40 Recharge T5 in Malaysia. My name is Sarah Lian, and I'll be your host today. We have an exciting agenda planned for today, so without further delay, please join me in welcoming Nalin Jain, Managing Director of Volvo Car Malaysia, to share a few words.
Thank you, Sarah, for the wonderful introduction. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here today with us. Today is a very special day for us at Volvo Car Malaysia, as we are about to officially launch the XC40 Recharge T5 here. Since the launch of the S60 T8R design CKD, we've been very eagerly waiting for this highly anticipated model to join up our line in Malaysia. With the launch of the XC40 Recharge T5, we now have a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle or PHEV offer in our entire range, making us Volvo the first automotive brand to do so. It's a new milestone for us. Why? Because we envision to reduce carbon emissions per car 40% by the year 2025. And through this, we are actually taking another step closer to our sustainability goal of becoming carbon neutral company by 2040. The launch of this model will see the evolution of one of our very successful SUVs into a plug-in electric hybrid, giving you a choice, making it more sustainable option for you as an everyday driver. What do we say? We say designed for the city and the planet. The XC40 Recharge T5 is a complete vehicle that not only makes driving your commuting a joy, but also helps you take care of the planet. Additionally, its bold and expressive design is a blend of luxury and performance, which you expect from Volvo, and it allows you to explore the city while standing out from the crowd. With its safety features, power-packed twin engine, intuitive comfort, and convenience features, the XC40 Recharge T5 allows you to be in control every mile of the journey. This is the essence of being able to provide you, as brand Volvo, freedom to move in a personal, sustainable, and a safe way. In addition to that, we would like to also share that this is a CKD model, meaning that our entire electrified lineup is now assembled at home right here in Malaysia.
Thank you so much for your insights, Nalin. Perhaps it's now time for us to showcase to our audience the moment that they've been waiting for?
Yes, I agree with you. Let's do it.
Okay, I'm gonna get you to put your hand on top of the podium. All right, on the count of 3, I'm gonna get you to press it. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. I now introduce officially the all-new XC40 Recharge T5. Through this car now, we have a PHEV offer in our entire range of cars. And with this, we really hope that we'll spur everybody to think about taking active steps in sustainability so that together we can have fun and recharge our environment and the future. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you, Nalin. Indeed, the XC40 Recharge T5 heralds a future that is more sustainable. As the first automotive brand in Malaysia to have a PHEV offer in the entire range, we can only anticipate bigger things from Volvo in the years to come. Our next segment will dive deeper into the intricacies of XC40 Recharge T5, as I would like to invite Sharon, Wong, Product Manager of Volvo Car Malaysia, to join me to run through the finer details of the car. Let us welcome Sharon.
Thank you, Sarah. The XC40 is designed with a distinctively Swedish outlook, made to be practical and rugged, but still beautiful and stylish. The XC40 is a true SUV. With a high ground clearance, the driver is and feels in control with a good view in all directions, which is particularly appreciated when driving and parking in the city. The passengers will also have a good view, which is nice and also reduce the risk of car sickness. But what is interesting today is that we will bring to you the all-new Volvo XC40, which is now broadens the Recharge line with plug-in hybrid option. XC40 now also appeals to environmentally conscious friends. The high level of connectivity, sophisticated safety features, and a true SUV styling all combine to make this the inspired choice for urban dwellers by emitting 50 grams per kilometers of CO2 combined to the planet. In this XC40, you will get to experience a sustainable and energizing drive with the Recharge plug-in hybrid T5. By combining our highly efficient petrol engine and an electric motor, this innovative plug-in hybrid powertrain delivers a powerful performance of 262 horsepower and 425 Nm of torque, while allowing zero emission commuting up to 44 kilometers. The very compact electric motor is mounted in the front, together with our new 3-cylinder 1.5-litre petrol engine, and both drive the front wheels via a responsive 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. What about the driving, Well, now you can easily adjust the powertrain characteristic to suit to your moods and needs. You can adjust the way the XC40 drives and handle using 5 different drive mode settings. The drive mode changes the settings for the engine, the gearbox, the steerings, and the brakes based on the driver's selection. Well, in terms of the design, the XC40 is distinctively Scandinavian, blending form and function. With the R design trim, it is inspired by performance, with contrasting sporty design into every detail, inside and out. It has a sporty 19-inch R design wheels, and the black roof is standard on all the exciting color choice. So now, let's have a look into the interior. So the first thing you would notice is the interior of XC40 balances the uncluttered, user-friendly layout with beautifully crafted materials to create space that supports and inspires driver. Moving on to the driver's side, the 12-inch digital driver display shows relevant driver information, including navigation direction, telephones, and actual road sign. To make it more comfortable for your eyes, the driver display brightness automatically adjusts according to the exterior light. We do have the large 9-inch Sensors touchscreen in portrait display as your intuitive command center. Voice control is also another way to handle this function. Furthermore, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto offers a more seamless integration with your personal smartphones. Speaking of personal smartphone, there is a dedicated compartment for mobile phones with built-in wireless charging that can enjoy these features. Optimizing comfort and style. The front seats combine the best renowned Volvo ergonomics in stylish design. It is in Nabak textile leather seats, and the concave cutting-edge aluminum decor further enhance the car dynamism. Ladies and gentlemen, in Volvo, we build cars around people. The storage solution in this small SUV is essential to make life easier for the driver. So we reposition the speaker on the front door panel, and with that creating a large space for storing things like laptop, umbrellas, or even drinking bottles. Clever features like these makes the Volvo XC40 very well adapted for the urban life. And there is a hook in the front glove box for small bags, or in Malaysian context, ideal to hang out takeaways. As in, this is a plug-in hybrid model, the luggage compartment is not compensated. This is because the high voltage battery is positioned in the middle of the car. This is one of the aspects of practicality of the Volvo XC40. At the rear, the hands-free power-operated tailgate means that you can open the rear tailgate while your hands are full from shopping. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone knows how Volvo has always led on safety. Our vision is that no one should be killed or seriously injured in a new Volvo. And the XC40 takes us to one step forward in achieving this ambition. Today, we use a huge array of connected IntelliSafe technologies to prevent accidents and to protect people if one does happen. And once again, we have crammed almost all of them into the XC40, creating the safest compact SUV on the planet. So to help to keep the occupant space intact in the crash, the Volvo XC40 has been made stronger in every sense. This is achieved by the usage of hot form boron steel, which is the strongest type of steel presently used in the automotive industry. The hot form boron steel amounts to 20% of the total body weight in the XC40, providing a safety cage that designed for maximum occupant protection in all types of crash scenario. But it is the active safety that the XC40 really stands out. City safety is our umbrella term for all the collision avoidance system. It acts like a co-pilot on the road, helping to detect vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, or even large animals, and then warning the driver through lights and sound, and also providing autonomous braking if required. In this XC40, the car is well equipped with pilot assist feature. It has a comfort and easy to use feature that helps you to maintain a set speed and a distance from the car in front, and gently helps you staying aligned with the lane markings. The XC40 comes with all these safety systems as standard, and these are not a simple system. These are sophisticated, life-saving system, all packaged into a small SUV. This XC40 Recharge T5 takes this to another level, delivering on both our sustainability message and a powerful yet refined driving experience. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the all-new Volvo XC40 Recharge T5, designed for the city and our planet.
Thank you very much, Sharon. Now that was a wonderful and detailed walkthrough of the Volvo XC40 Recharge T5. And there you have it, the Volvo XC40 Recharge T5 now available in Malaysia. It is truly something designed for the city and the planet. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the end of our session, and we'd like to thank you for your attention during this launch. We hope that you had as good of a time as we did. On behalf of Volvo Car Malaysia, please stay safe during this period and bear in mind to practice physical distancing in all situations. Thank you for joining us again, and have a great day ahead.